In today's video, we're going to be comparing a payloader versus a skid steer plowing. This lot I have here, right down the middle, there's a set of light poles, and the lot's very even. Each side, essentially the same square feet. I'm going to be plowing this side here with the loader and timing it, and I'm going to be plowing that side over there with the skid steer and also timing it to see which one's faster. So the rules are to leave no snow in this lane. We're not going to worry about this middle here. So leaving no snow, and the skid steer is going to be able to turn and plow both ways, this way and that way, and the loader is only going to be pushing that way. Some quick facts about the loader: it is a 44,000-pound unit. It is a beast with a 14-foot Arctic, and this is a baby skid steer, 7,400 pounds with a 10.5 Arctic. So the reason why I'm not doing it with two operators is obviously one operator could be skilled or more skilled than the other, and I want this video to be fair, so I'm going to be doing both of them separately. So just to recap that race, this was a untouched parking lot throughout the whole storm. We had a 12-inch event, so we were literally pushing 12 inches of snow. The loader was victorious, and it won by a staggering 10 seconds. So with this being said, this pusher obviously can hold a lot more snow. It's much deeper. This is the heavy-duty version compared to the light-duty version over there. So with that being said, if this lot had 3 inches of snow, the skid steer would definitely win, probably by more than 10 seconds. And that's typically what you do in commercial snow plowing, is you don't let it build up to a foot like we did here, and the skid steer would actually be faster. So we have a 7,400 pound machine that is extremely cheap versus a extremely expensive and extremely heavy machine. And the small machine, believe it or not, because of its maneuverability and quickness, can actually keep up with a machine like this. Obviously with the loader, you're getting much more stacking height. You're getting much more power when you're actually pushing back snowbanks and trying to make room. So obviously there is a huge need for something this size, but when it comes down to plowing and plowing quickness, my money is on the skid steer, unless you have a ton of snow like we just had right now. So thanks for watching.